wrong by the boys. Oh, yo.
Let's have a bit of fun till I